Hello all. In this video, let's take a quick look at how to use the left and right formulas in the Excel or in the Google Sheets. Let's quickly deep dive into the spreadsheet. Let's assume that we have a sample data which has two columns, name and surname. For example, let's take data and like this. And okay, let's beautification this one by quickly adding some colors over here. So we have the sample data like this. For example, if you would like to have the first three letters in the name column, so how we can do this one by using the left join, we can achieve this one. So this has five letters, and when you perform the left, it starts from here, and it takes like one. If you say like if you would like to have three letters, it starts from here, and it like one, two, three, and it gives output as Raj. And for example, here MAH and Sai. Okay, let's see how we can achieve this one using the left join. So first three letters. Okay, let's expand this one. Okay, how we can do that is equal to left of this one, and you can see the syntax over here, the text we have selected, and the number of characters. So I would like to have three over here. So just drag and drop. That's it. Raj, Mahesh, and Raj, Mahesh, and Sai. Okay, and so if you would like to have for example, here there is something. Let's assume that the client has a requirement that they will provide the length here, numbers here, and as per the num, they wanted you to extract the data. So it's always dynamic. For example, let's say if they want first only two letters here, then how you can do is equal to left of. So this is the text and the number of characters here. You can select like this, and this gives the first two letters as well. So this is how you can play with the left function. Let's see how we can achieve the same using the length. So I'm deleting this one. Okay, let's see by using length, by using len. So now I wanted to have I want to exclude the last two letters of this one, and the remaining letters I would like to have. So let's see how we can achieve by using the length. So we all know that if you do the length formula here, so it gives the total number of characters, right? So what I'm going to do, it's 5. So is equal to left of this one, comma. So how many I want? So I mean, whatever the length of the characters. So I would like to eliminate the last two. So for example, length of these last two. Let's say like -2. There it go. So this is how we can use by using the len. For example, let's say if they would like to have first letter of name and the first letter of surname. For example, they would like to have RP or MC or SC. So let's see how we can achieve this one. So it's very easy. Is equal to left. Okay, is equal to left of this one. I would like to have the first letter, and let's concatenate this one by using the end. Okay, and left of this one, comma 1. Okay, sorry, I mean b2 comma 1. B has a surname. There it go. So here we have used end as a concat, or else we can also use the concat formula. For example, is equal to concat of. Concatenation, basically it concats two strings into one. Okay, left of. So for the first is that this one, I would like to have 1, comma, and again left of this one, comma 1. There it go. So either by using the concat function or using the end function, we can achieve this one. So both are similar in the end function, the concat function. This is how we can do the left join. So let's see the same for the, so not the left join. This is how we use for the left function. Let's see for the right function. So now right. So for example, here I would like to have the last three characters of name. So last three letters. Okay, how we can say? So the last three letters we want. So earlier we have seen the first three letters. Now the last three letters is equal to right of this one, comma 3. There it go. Okay, but if in case if you would like to take the length and if you would like to exclude two letters, the first two letters, and print the rest of, for example, RAJ here, two letters, I mean JIV here. and here it should be like after exclude two letters it is HESH. So it's again based on the length. So how we can is equal to write off this one. So length of this one minus 2, I would like to exclude 2. So there it go. Okay, this is not that useful, but I mean, especially this length of function, I'm just giving an example how we can use multiple functions or multiple functions within the formula, and by using length. Okay, and let's get a last name, last letter of name, and last letter of surname. Let's see how we can get this one. And let's see how we can get the last letter of the name and first last letter of the surname is equal to, so write off this one comma 1. Okay, and write off this one comma 1. So that's how we get the last two names. Or also we have one more way as well, which I had shown earlier, the same with the same functionality is equal, instead of end you can use concat of this comma sorry, write off this comma 1. So you may get confused like how I should know like which one has to come. So basically whenever you're writing a formula, Excel or the Google Sheets, they always display the syntax over here. So the syntax is nothing but, so whomsoever who actually created these formulas, so they have structured the formulas in such a way that this has to be come here, this has to come after the comma, or this has to come before the comma, or this is the last one, this is the first one, right? As per the syntax only we have to follow. So you can see over here text. What is the text here? So this is the text, and it is asking how many number of characters. You can see over here I would like to have one character, that's it. Okay, and we have to close the brackets here, so there should be like two brackets, because one bracket for this one concat, and you can do like this. So this is how you can use. And if in case if you don't want to see any errors, you can have like if error comma, if in case if there is error I would like to display like some blank value, something like that. So for example, let's say instead of Pujala it's a hash n by a. Now it displays like blank. Or in case if in case if you mention something here like has error, you can see that message has error, something like that. This is how you can write awesome formulas uh, to make your Excel to get whatever the results that you are looking in your reports. Thank you for watching this video.